Hello everyone, I am here to demonstrate my project Distributed Smart Traffic Control System, which is built in Python and RPC. This is a distributed traffic control system which has smart controller that manages an entire intersection in real time, responding to traffic, auditors and even emergencies. Okay, so let's see its architecture. This is my controller file, which is brain. This file run as a central server with graphical dashboard. Various clients connect to it over network like traffic client and pedestrian client. We also have a special client for auditing the system or triggering an emergency override like RTO client and ambulance. All this communication happens using XML RPC, a simple but powerful remote procedure called protocol. Now let's see it in action. As you can see, this is our traffic controller server dashboard. Here we can see a signal status, manual override options, and ambulance preemption. It also shows the live intersection status. Now let's run our traffic request generator. Traffic request generator generates random signals, and based on that random signals, the traffic client shows what signals are present on that junction, while the pedestrian client shows what pedestrian signals are present on the junctions. Now, as you can see here, based on the signal generated by the traffic request generator, here we can see the traffic client has shown signals present on that junction. As you can see, on signal 1 it is yellow, and on signal 2 it is yellow for the time being. And also the pedestrian line also showing what signals is present on that pedestrian cross section. This can also be seen on our dashboard. As you can see here, all the logs or the traffic signals which are generated on the traffic signal or traffic line on the pedestrian line are seen here in the system logs, and based on the signals it is changing its status. We can also change the signals manually by pressing a button. Like we are here, we want to make the signal 1 2 green or the 3 4 green. So we have to just press this button, and it will turn the signal 3 4 into green by step by step. First it will make the road 1 2 yellow and red, and after that it will turn the signal 3 4 into green. One of the critical feature is emergency preemption. The controller receives the request for the ambulance and treat it as a highest priority, keeping all the requests on hold, and immediately set required path to green. It holds green signal for a time, ensuring ambulance can pass safely, and after that it resumes its normal operations. So for the real-time traffic handling and load balancing to manual override and life-saving preemption, this project shows how concept of distributed system can be used to build smarter, safer and more efficient city infrastructures. Thank you.